Hey guys, welcome back. Richard behind the camera, David and myself. We're tearing down this 1998 Yamaha Warrior 350. On the last episode, we removed the oil filter. Doing a little bit more research, we realized that this is the existing oil filter from this 1998. There was
the guy had rebuilt it too, so
that's what he claims.
yeah.
There are a lot of metal shavings in this oil filter which we had put on the magnets. They were magnetized. Yeah. They were magnetized. But I mean, over the years of just constantly running, you are going to get normal wear and tear. So we are going to be plugging up the motor. We're going to be removing the wire harness, which we didn't do last episode. We ran out of time. And removing the motor from the frame and draining the brakes. So let's get to it.
Hello viewers, ATV not wanting to start, not sure what oil to run, feeling a little depressed? Well, I got the group for you. It's the Warrior 350 page on Facebook. That's the only place to go for your information that you need, any customized parts. I'll tell you guys, this page is the best page to be on. Best page to be on, damn it. Best page to be on if you need any help with your Warrior 350 or Raptor even. We are part of this group, we have been for a while, and I'll tell you guys, you need any help with anything, they're the place you want to be. I'll list the link in the description, go ahead, join it up. The admins, the moderators, everyone on that group, great group of guys.
Just don't ask what oil to use.
Yeah, just don't ask what oil to use, otherwise, yeah, you'll be in for it. But yeah guys, anytime we need any help with anything, that's the page you want to be on. Everyone on there is great. Anytime we need help with anything, I mean, you go and ask questions, within minutes you're going to have 50 to 100 comments. No exaggeration, but hey, that's what happens. I mean, we're going to be needing help with our Warrior, so we're going to be posting up on there. A lot of people on there posting stuff for sale. And like I said, any help you need, that's the place you want to be. So we really appreciate being part of the group, and keep watching the videos, guys. Hope you enjoy this little sketch.
Hey guys, it's always highly recommended every time you guys do an oil change on your Yamaha Warrior, or actually any ATV in that fact,
If it has an oil filter, change the oil filter.
change it. It's not that difficult. Just change it. Come on guys. It avoids issues like what we're having. Just change it. That's all. Change it. Please, change it.
We have more issues than that filter solving.
We need help. Alright guys, now that we've got the wire harness and all the components out of there, we're going to be removing the motor mounts and then removing the motor completely from the frame. There are 3?
4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
There are 4 motor mounts, 1 on top, 2 at the bottom, and then 1 on top of the head. So just let you know guys know.
And it's always good to have 2 people lifting the motor out, as it's pretty heavy.
It is pretty heavy, yeah.
More or less, I mean, one person can lift it, but it's a lot easier to maneuver it back into the frame so you don't damage the paint with one person.
Hercules, Hercules.
Yeah.
Guys, as you can see, we got the motor out, top tip. Get a couple of people to give you a hand with the motor to pull it out. It's not exactly light, it is cumbersome, so it just makes life a little bit easier, as well as get the correct tools. With the correct tools, it makes life a little bit easier and makes the job a lot quicker. But stay tuned for the next one. Today, that's all we're going to have for today, and stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to be doing a lot more to the Warrior. Stay tuned. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Like, share, and subscribe to this video. And see you guys later.